No lie, guys, this is the most excited I've been in a long time. So what did I do? I cut my hair, because that's what I do. And I think that this is gonna be really fun for summer. I'm very excited about it. But also I realized that a very short bob like this has its limitations, style-wise. I can't really put it back. I can put it back, but there's nothing back there. And, you know, what if you want some more options? And that is why I ordered hair off the internet, which is one of the weirdest things I've ever done. I have ordered some hair pieces off of Amazon. We're going to try them on today. I haven't been this excited since I received that box of silk scarves from my friend. Let's go. So I ordered 3 different things. I ordered bangs. I ordered a bun, which is a messy bun. And then I ordered more of like a looped bun. And I don't really know if these hair colors are going to match exactly. I just ordered a medium brown, which is totally what I am. It's nice to have an option here to maybe cover your forehead on those days where your forehead doesn't look that great. You might be a little dehydrated. Get out of there. Or, you know, if you're a little dehydrated and your forehead starts to show its wrinkles, bangs are great, and you don't want to cut them because then you have really no options with your hair. You just have to do your little banged bob. So this is something called air bangs. I don't know why. Why would they call it air bangs? Air bangs. And it comes nicely wrapped around this piece of cardboard so they don't go out of shape. It comes with a little curler in it. Of course, I'm going to have to style these once I open them up. I'm just going to lightly cut the netting to open it. Okay, now, before we put these bangs on, I'm going to remove this scarf. And why? Because I don't want it influencing how cute the bangs are, because scarves are cute. Okay, I just opened it. And there's this little roller. Uh-oh, I've got some of the hair stuck in the roller. I'm gonna be gentle. I'm not usually that gentle with things, so. Okay, good. I got it out. Okay, so it came wrapped around this little piece of cardboard. And it looks like the color is almost going to match. It's a little bit light, which means I could dye it to my natural color. So if you're going to order bangs, you want it to be a little bit lighter, or the same color if you can do it. They're kind of stuck to this, so I'm going to be gentle when I figure out how to get them off of here. Gentle, gentle. Now I see what was holding them on is that little clip that's going to go in my hair. So they come with this clip, and this clip, come here. You guys might hear a lot of extra noise today because I have a foster kitten and he's very active and he likes to be with me all the time. So here we go. We've got the clip back here. Let me get my face out of here. Okay, and this will snap into place on my hair, but first you have to start with it so that the combs are sticking out like that so they can grab onto your hair. And I'm going to part it down the middle, make it nice and neat. That's not neat. I have kind of a little cowlick up there in the front, and it really doesn't matter if it's not perfect. Nobody is perfect. So they're going to clip into my hair up here, and then I'm going to clip it down on the top of my head. What length bangs do I want? Do I want long, fringy bangs? Probably. So now I'm going to open the clip, and I'm going to see where I need to place these in order to get long, fringy, eyelash grazing bangs. Well, I know that just turned me into a mom, but hold on, we're going to style it. Pretty. Not bad at all. You know, it's nice to have a little option of doing a bit of a different style. And that is an interesting option right there. So these are the side swept bangs above my eyebrow. Should I bring them a little bit lower? Right up there at the front. These are just slightly too light, so just kind of go with it, guys. Go with the color. I do not know how people wear their hair at this length. It would drive me insane. I think even the fake bangs would drive me insane, going in my eyelashes all day. Ugh. Okay, this is pretty fun. Blend my hair in. This one needs a bit of a curl in order to really match my hair, so I'm going to curl it. Ouch. I'm not great with a curling iron. So I think that I would like these bangs to have a little more hair in them. These are just supposed to be a wispy fringe, but I think I'm a fan of kind of thicker bangs. But these are not bad for having some sort of hair option. Okay, so what happens if I part these down the middle and I make curtain bangs? I think I need these to be a little bit higher. I need them out of my eyelashes. I cannot handle that. Like fringy eyebrow grazing bangs. Bam. Okay, let's just kind of blend them in with my hair. I have to tell you a little trick. The trick with these bobs is that you can't have any volume on the top. It kind of has to be real flat, and same with these bangs. It's going to have to be really flat. Overall, I think these are cute. I think this gives me a really cool option for when I don't feel like looking at my forehead. Or maybe with a hat, it might be really cute. Let's try this wide-brimmed hat. That's a pretty look. I like that the little fringes, you can still see them. This one's kind of in my eye, but that's pretty. I don't know how much you can see, but I do like the way the fringe looks with this hat. It really does add something extra. I do kind of like these parted in the middle like that. I think that's my favorite. It just adds a little something extra to this haircut if I get tired of it, and you know it takes forever to grow these sorts of things out. So it's really nice to have something else you can look forward to besides just your cute little French bob. I'm kind of in love with these little bangs here. Cute. Okay, now we're gonna do ponytail and bun. I'm so excited. I'm going to have to put my hair back. Now, I cut my hair this length on purpose. See this length here? That perfectly goes to the nape of my neck. So I can pull my hair back when I want to. That's really important to me, is that I have that kind of versatility, because I'm an active person and sometimes I want to pull my hair back. So the first thing we're going to check out is this box I got from Bella Hair. Now when I say I bought it. I'm not being paid for this. This is a human hair extension. It is 100% human hair. It should last for 6 to 12 months with normal use. I can dye it to a darker color if I need to. And it's heat resistant, so I can style it. Let's see what it is. Okay, it comes with some bobby pins. That's helpful. I always need bobby pins. It comes with a hair tie. It says that it's 100% unprocessed human hair. This is the creepiest thing I've ever done, ordering human body parts on the internet. Okay, it's a little bun and a hairnet. Ooh, it's unspinning itself. All right, I'm going to put my hair back now with some bobby pins. And I'll speed it up, but I'll let you see that process. Okay, I'm sure I didn't do the prettiest bobby pinning back there, but I don't usually care too much about that. And what I like about this is that I can now see my earrings, and I love jewelry. I have a jewelry business, and if you would like to check it out, the link is down below. I love jewelry that much. And, you know, I love the cute little bob that I have, but I can never see my earrings. So I'm very excited about this. Let's open this bun. Okay, what is this? Ooh. It's a kind of a scrunchie, and it's covered in hair. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this. Am I going to be able to plunk that right on there? I don't even have a little nub to put this around. This thing's freaking me out. Oh, the hair kind of comes out of it. Okay, all right. Maybe I just need to loosen it up a bit. Okay, loosening it up. Oh, it comes out quite a bit. Oh, it's curly. Okay. It looks like the color is going to match my color. Enough. There's plenty of hair in here. How much of a bun do I want is the question. I don't want a big bun. All right, I'm just gonna plunk this on the back of my head and pin it in. I'm gonna put it low. So I secured this with about 4 bobby pins, and it looks like I took one curl out too far. I'm just going to tuck it back in. Okay, so I poked a lot of the bobby pins in the correct way, but I'm sure that I missed a couple. And if I were going to wear this look, I would definitely spray it in place. I wanted to make sure all my little tiny hairs from the bottom got tucked up with a bobby pin, because that's going to be the giveaway if those short hairs come down. But I think this is very pretty if I have an event I want to go to where I want to have a softer look like this, and I don't want to look so fun. This is my less fun look. I don't know. But I do think this is very pretty, very feminine, very soft, and it's nice to have this option. The links to these items are down below if you want to get your own. So what I really like is that, well, hello. His name is Jones Barbecue and Foot Massage, because he is a lot all at once. Shh, now. Okay, I'm gonna finish this video. Okay, so let's go to the next bun. I do like this one. If I had more hair, I could just put the scrunchie right around it. I'm going to take this out if I can, and just show you my hair pinned up without the bun. Okay, so I don't even know if I did a perfect job, and like I said, perfect never matters. And, you know, I actually tucked my hair up like this last night and went out. I don't need the extra hair. It's a fine look on its own. It's just a little messy back there with all those bobby pins, and the extra hair extensions really help hide all that. And it allows me to keep my hair back and out of my face and show off my earrings. So let's try our next hair extension look. It says long, thin, straight. Long, thin, straight. I think this is the loopy ponytail. The one that's not so curly. It's by this company. It looks like a little donut. Check it out, a donut of hair. Cut it out of its package. Okay, so I'm gonna loosen it up. I'm just nervous I'm gonna do this wrong. Oh, I see. Okay, there's a scrunchie in here. It is still curly. I'm just gonna loosen it up. Loosen it up. Here we go. Well, it's actually very similar to the other one, now that I'm really separating it out. This one seems to be maybe a little bit longer. That might be nice. Let's see how it matches my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and pin it in. I'm gonna pin it in nice and low like that, because I'm following where I pinned my hair back to. If I pinned it further up here, then I could pin it up here, but I pinned my hair going downward, and we want it to appear as if my hair is going downward into this scrunchie and coming out of it. Okay, here we go. I don't even know what it looks like yet. You know more than I do. That's a pretty, very loose curl. Oh, it just fell off. Do have to be careful how you pin this in. I think I see the way the hair pattern is going, and I want it to kind of come down loosely, and I want to see the ends poking out like that. Okay, I'm going to try this again. I'll try to show you what I'm doing. It's pretty. I like it a lot. I put the bobby pins around the scrunchy part of it to hold it more to my head. I do like this as an option of when I want to put my hair back. Nobody would ever guess that this isn't my hair. Okay, this took a total of about 50,000 bobby pins, but it was worth it. And like I said, if I wasn't doing a little YouTube video and I was being more precious with it, like I'm really going to an event, I would be more careful with how these bobby pins show. You can't just put a bobby pin across your hair like this and just let it be showing. You gotta kind of poke it in and secure the hair. And I didn't do that because I'm dealing with a lot of weird light, mirror, and camera issues, and I can't see that well. I would make sure all of these little things were sprayed up and tucked in, so it wasn't a dead giveaway that my hair was super short, okay? Let's put the bangs on with this. Let's see what that looks like. This is fun. I love this. Unsnap. Oh, look. And I'm just going to bring down a couple of pieces of my own hair so that they blend in. Just a couple, not a lot. Oh, wow, guys. This is so pretty and soft and feminine. Just lovely. So, you too can cut your hair into a bob and then still have these wonderful, feminine, soft options. I would do a better job of curling these bangs if I was going anywhere. I would curl my hair and the extension together. That's the best you're going to get right now. Oh, this is wonderful. Look how pretty this is. And I don't have to deal with the burden of keeping up long hair, which is something I hate. So I can have the option of feeling like long hair, feminine, pretty, and then I can go back to my short and fun and creative and silly bob at any point. I love these options, and they were so cheap. So check the links down below. And if you want to get your own, you have to check for your own hair color, but you can certainly have your own. It's so affordable and so fun. I'm glad you guys were here with me today. If you liked this video, please like it. And if you like this channel, please subscribe. You might like this next one. Thanks for being here. See you next time.